A surgeon removes a tumor, but invisible to the naked eye, a single microscopic cell remains. It divides, spreads, and reclaims the surrounding healthy tissue. In conventional cancer surgeries, 20 to 40% of patients are left with microscopic disease that eventually triggers a relapse. This chart shows the failure rates across the entire medical field. On the left, that surgical error rate is matched by an even higher number on the right. 90% of new drugs fail in phase 1 clinical trials. Both of these failures stem from the same root cause. Medicine relies on physical trial and error. From a surgeon's eyes to test tube reactions, the human senses are too blunt to ensure success. Eradicating complex disease requires a medical system built on absolute mathematical predictability rather than physical guessing. The period of medical guesswork is coming to a close, driven by companies like this episode's sponsor, Shane Persinger of Synestec Systems LLC. This approach integrates 3 distinct scientific fields. First, quantum computing. Second, artificial intelligence. And third, nanotechnology. Quantum technology provides the analytical speed, AI interprets the resulting data, and nanotechnology acts as the physical interface inside the human body. By combining these 3 sciences, the medical field turns healthcare from a physical guessing game into a predictable mathematical process. The first step in this pipeline eliminates the slow, physical laboratory. Researchers now use instantaneous, hyper-accurate digital quantum simulation environments. These quantum systems possess immense scale. In mere hours, a quantum computer can evaluate up to 10 to the 30th power molecular combinations, a number that would take classical computers millennia to process. We can see this in the design of metal organic frameworks, or MOFs. AI uses the quantum data to construct these nanoscale drug delivery vehicles so that the drug payload fits perfectly into specifically optimized pockets. This digital simulation phase ensures a pharmaceutical intervention is mathematically perfected for the human body before a single physical prototype is ever manufactured. Once the digital design is complete, the physical intervention begins. Patients are injected with engineered nanomaterials known as quantum dots, which travel directly into the bloodstream to hunt their targets. These dots act as homing beacons. Using ligands like folic acid, they attach exclusively to the microscopic cancer cells that overexpress these specific receptors. During surgery, near-infrared light is applied to the tissue. This wavelength causes the attached quantum dots to emit a brilliant, high-contrast glow. Autofluorescence, the natural background glow of healthy tissue, presents a major challenge. The AI orchestrator processes this visual data in real time, perfectly separating the signals. This clean data is fed to the surgeon through augmented reality overlays and haptic feedback, providing 0.2 millimeter precision. This AI-driven navigation removes surgical blind spots, allowing doctors to locate disease margins that conventional pathology would miss. Identifying these microscopic cancer cells is only the first half of the solution. The ultimate goal is to instantly destroy them. The quantum dots are designed with a dual functionality. The same near-infrared light used to make them glow also triggers them to act as microscopic heaters. When the surgeon identifies the tumor margins, the AI control system modulates a targeted laser. The quantum dots absorb that light and violently radiate a localized heat wave. This precise process is called photothermal conversion. The heat instantly destroys the residual cancer cells directly on the operating table. As the thermal graph shows, the AI protects surrounding tissue by using infrared thermography and predictive models. The temperature spikes are confined strictly to the tumor boundary, while healthy zones stay cool. This AI-modulated process guarantees the total eradication of microscopic disease without inflicting the collateral damage common in traditional surgery. Because of this pipeline, high failure rates in surgery and drug trials are becoming obsolete metrics. This results from a synergistic pipeline. Quantum computing provides the power to design, AI orchestrates the data, and nanotechnology physically executes the cure. Medicine now operates as a digitally simulated sub-millimeter exact science. By engineering solutions at these scales, humanity is achieving the precision required to outsmart complex disease.
Finally, we want to thank the sponsor of this video, Shane Persinger of Synestex Systems LLC, for supporting our look into the future of healthcare.